Hi friend. This is at the equestrian horse show where they show you all the pretty horses.
Airport building for the best
Look at that. Look almost like Hawaii. Oh, right here's the sign. Don't miss it. Gibraltar.
See, all this section on the right is mostly reclaimed land over there. So the guide is going to tell you, but
Wow. The water looks really clean. Really clean.
so they give names to the monkeys.
All right.
Not all guides say that, but many say. For instance, Queen Elizabeth, Lady Diana.
Any of them named Lester? No. There's Lester. Go to the monkey.
Camille.
Cindy. Monkey Cindy. This is the Rock of Gibraltar entry point, guys. Right on. Follow me.
The actual,
Actually,
the
what
actual
crosses
landing
a
strip we have
white
got it
line.
here,
Oh,
built
no.
in 1942, right in the
1942?
middle of the Second World War.
Wow.
A must, a necessity to carry out most of the logistic of the battle codename operation.
This is the Rock of Gibraltar
which
we're on
took
right here.
place in
Cradle of
North
history.
Africa, and it was the first major victory of the island. Now, a third of the land that was brought is artificial land, reclaimed from the sea, most of which only in the last 50 years. See, the whole purpose of Gibraltar, since it was taken over by the British in 1704, over 300 years now, was that of a military base, a fortress for the British forces. That was the whole purpose of it. So even our economy used to revolve around the presence of the military. 2/3 of the population used to work directly or indirectly for the Ministry of Defense. But the presence of the military nowadays is virtually non-existence. We've got administration.
The fuel prices are by liter,
And
not by gallon.
Regiment, Royal Gibraltar Regiment, 250 strong, and which comes under the British Army. So what happened when the military left? Well, we became a financial center, like the islands of Guernsey, Jersey, Cayman Islands, etc., etc., etc. Doing pretty well, if I may say, you know, considering that when the military left, there was a huge impact to the local economy, but we managed to survive. So the first one to get hold of the rock were the Arabs in the year 711. Then came the Spaniards in the year 1462. And then, as I said, the British, when it was taken over by Admiral Brooke. Again, built by the British to make sure that the rock would not be retaken by
That's
any
original.
other nation. Study this right, part of Spain and the entrance to the Atlantic.
Wow.
Around it, entrance to the Mediterranean Sea, to where we are going now.
Yeah.
Inaugurated in 1997. The lighthouse is over 150 years old.
Wow.
The main lighthouse in the late 1800s for all of
Wow.
the
150.
Straits.
All right.
And the only one outside of the United Kingdom which is run by the Trinity House.
Wow.
Alright. A
Wow,
line
look at this.
straight out of that lighthouse, that is more or less the entrance or the official entrance to the Mediterranean. So that sea, Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Ocean.
Ah.
Straight down, Mediterranean and Atlantic merged together. The Straits of Gibraltar.
Straits
The
of-
mountain Jebel Musa, the north of Africa. It is the only place in the world, and we stand to be corrected, where you can see 2 continents and 3 countries. Europe, Africa, Gibraltar, Spain, Morocco.
Wow.
And we shall now be stopping here for 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Before you get up your seat, I will more or less explain to you where you are standing. Other than inside the bus, obviously. So those mountains, province of Malaga. Alright, Costa del Sol, so Malaga, Barcelona, France, Italy. To the far right,
To the far
Atlantic Ocean would be Cadiz, Portugal, north of Spain. Lighthouse, straight down into the Mediterranean, Malta, Cyprus, Middle East. You see? So from here they could control all of the passengers of the ships. Obviously, once upon a time. I don't know how acquainted you are with European politics. Europa Point, the furthest point in Europe. But as from next year, it would change its name to Brexit Point, because we'll be out of here.
Alright.
Careful.
Bro, you my kind of man.
Once upon a time, British Empire. That's why the Kingdom of Spain.
Wow, the streets of
You
Gibraltar.
see, in those times, the only real means of transport was by ship. And if any nation wanted to go anywhere in the world, 2 places to go to only. New continent America, Old World Europe, they had to come through here. So the empire used to control all of the movement, nobody activate them.
Wow.
When we get now to Europa Point, you will see the whole scale of it. There are 54 kilometers, 34 miles of tunnels inside the rock.
Wow.
The majority of which was built during the Second World War. They created a whole military fortress.
This is the Straits of Gibraltar. If you can listen in the background, you can hear they're shooting off guns. What they're doing is, this is a military base, so they're probably having some indoor shooting range over there. This is the Straits of Gibraltar. On the left, the Mediterranean Sea. On the right, the Atlantic Sea. And Africa and Morocco. We'll be going there tomorrow. Also.
That's
Wow.
Algeciras to the far
That
left,
is
clear
awesome.
entrance of the Atlantic. There's a lot of ships around. Many of the big ones has a little satellite one attached to it. It's known as bunkering, the supply of fuel, oil, food, water, crew members, etc., etc. It is our second economy. Thousands of ships crosses the straits, hundreds of which come into the bay. We've got the 4th biggest bunkering business in Europe and the 7th biggest in the world.
Wow.
Tourism. Tourism is our 3rd industry, and a population of just over 33,000. For the last couple of years, we've had about 10 million people visiting Gibraltar.
You see now coming, huh?
The little area we're coming on to now is called the Queen's Balcony. This is where the Queen stood in 1954 when she visited the rock.
Wow.
Now, when she was here, nothing of what you shall be seeing straight down existed, because all of that is the artificial land. So the only thing to see was the naval shipyard and obviously
Wow.
the old city.
Woo.
There we have it.
Awesome. This guy thought he was gonna be number 1.
I told you today was a lovely day.
It sure is.
It is
Oh, I'm
very-
sorry. I'm sorry. 1867, this cave. But they said that this cave is thousands of millions of years old. So, we shall see. Wow, look at that. Looks like an acid trip. Tripido acido. Hey Larry, there's the elevator here. You gotta ask them though if you want them to. Wow, look at these monkeys. Hi, monkey friend. Real monkey butt. That's what we call riders. You don't go riding for long rides. Your butt comes like that, monkey butt. He's looking for some treats. Hi, friend. What's your name? Lester. My name is Lester.
Are you doing tricks?
Yeah, doing tricks.
Looking for bugs?
Yeah, his name is Lester. Oh, it's too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Oh, I'm gonna bite you. He get big ears this morning. Look how big his ears. Whoa. You wanna be my friend? Not right now. Try open your bag now, Cindy. Have to listen to your mama and papa. Don't bite. Yeah, he's still snacking.
They're looking for wukus.
No, yeah, snack. Watch out, he's snacking. Oh, you can imagine, you go find the cream brulee in there. Hi.
Oh, Atlantic entrance to the Mediterranean continent, which we can now even see the mountains behind them.
Wow.
Yeah, this is part. All of those are part of the Atlas Mountains.
The Atlas Mountains.
Tomorrow, when you go there, if the weather is the same, you shall be able to see Gibraltar. And then you will say, I was there yesterday.
All right. With the monkey.
There we got part of the runway, which was built in the
Wow.
sea. That is where the airplane just taken off. 1942, right in the middle of the Second World War.
Wow.
Now, many people ask, how did they manage to reclaim it?
Moorish Castle, oldest building on
when they
Gibraltar.
recaptured Gibraltar from the preoccupation of the Spaniards. So the first Arab to get hold of the rock was called just going about 25 years ago. No more than that. Most of these roads used to be two-way traffic.
Wow. That's James Bond.
It used to be chaotic. But this is all we had. So we had to adapt to it. The little area that we're going to drive into now, it's still a two-way traffic.
Wow.
As they haven't been able to find an alternative route to it. So it's okay with locals, it's not very okay with tourists. You see? Here we have it.
Wow, awesome. Two-way traffic. Wow.
These roads were built for horses and carriage, not for vehicles. Definitely not for little buses or lorries.
Wow.
You know what we say? If you stay with the positive side of things, if you can drive in Gibraltar, more or less, you can drive anywhere.
China. Oh, and pedestrian too. Wow. U-turn. Wow, look at this. James Bond. Dun, 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 James Bond. Wow.
And in addition to this, this is not my bus. and you're not my family, so
Better yet. More better yet. More of a joyride.
the area that we're coming into now is called Governor's Parade.
The one that.
Governor's Parade together with Main Street, which runs
Wow, look at this.
used to be the heart of everything, where the day-to-day living used to occur for the civilian population.
This is the
So
global
when they
stuff.
built the division land, the new land, people were amused. They couldn't believe how big the rock was becoming. It was a whole new world open to us.
See him. They like tourists.
We shall now be seeing the residence of the governor. The
Wow.
governor represents the queen, and he resides in an old monastery which dates back from the mid-1500s. Beautifully maintained, of course, which is that building in front of us.
Wow.
This one to the left used to be a convent. It is from where our ship minister works from. So the official entrance to the ship minister faces the official entrance to the governor. And this is Main Street. Main Street used to be the main road. Now,
Wow. Main shopping area.
1969, inside that little area, John Lennon and Yoko Ono got married.
Wow.
Yeah. People come from all over the world.
World.
to get married.
Yeah.
Not only because of him, also because in Gibraltar you can get married within 24 hours. Now getting divorced, that's another story. It's a huge business now that it's actually emerging.
What, divorce?
Now they're married. The divorce is a good business for the wife. This building is the first and only Anglican cathedral built outside of the United Kingdom. The Holy
Wow.
Trinity. So we're now going to drive parallel to the opposite to the walls, okay? Before we move through the
To Tangiers. My God. But for the traffic,
Wow, all by himself.
in Algeciras is the largest port in Europe. It's a big one. As I said, maybe you remember